Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the MOCA laptop sleeve, which is compatible with 13.3-inch laptops. The packaging is pretty simple. It comes in a clear plastic bag. It has some warning messages on it, and it has a sticker with some manufacturing and customer care information. That's about it on the outside of the package. So let's get to the goods inside now. On the inside, we get this laptop sleeve. Obviously, it has a emerald or jade green kind of color theme going for it. The strap up top is brown in color and has a leather-like finishing to it. It is also extensible, and it comes out quite a bit. There are two compartments that we get with this laptop sleeve. The first one, the smaller of the two, is on the outside, and it has the capacity to carry small items. You can also probably put a tablet in there, quite a big tablet that is. It has three elastic compartments as well, in which you could probably shove a bottle, and we have two more enclosed compartments that are quite deep, and you could put things like pencil cases or smartphones in there. The larger of the two compartments is for the main laptop, and it has a very soft finishing on the inside. It has a satin-like finish, very soft, very furry, and that's about it. It's quite deep, goes all the way through, and that is the compartment for the 13.3-inch laptop. That zip only opens up halfway. So let's load up the bag and see it in action. So this was the unboxing of the MOCA laptop sleeve. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.